What I wish I knew as a kid. Not all ice is just frozen water. Some ice actually grows in silky strands like nature's own magic trick. Ready for a winter mystery? Hair ice only appears on dead wood, mostly in chilly forests of Germany and North America. These ghostly threads can be as fine as silk, thanks to a rare fungus called Xidiopsis effusa. Local legends once blamed spirits for this eerie frost. Imagine waking up to a log covered in icy hair. Earth hides wonders everywhere. Want more secrets from nature's dark side? Hit follow.